Since 1950, Waterbury's has been providing service and sales for all of your air conditioning, heating, and plumbing needs. In just a moment, we'll talk shop with Tom Stridicke, owner of Waterbury's. Tom, welcome back to the program.
Good morning, Jim.
Of course, Waterbury's is known around town. You've been in business since 1950. You're in the heating and air conditioning, and of course you do plumbing. The topic today is really service, new equipment installation, some efficiencies. Give us a little insight into what goes on here at Waterbury.
Well, as you said, Jim, we've been around since 1950. We've been able to service residential and commercial products in the heating and cooling. And in the most recent, we've been doing plumbing and plumbing service, and that's been a good part of our business too.
Let's start there with plumbing. When you say plumbing and plumbing service, what types of things will you do, and when do I call?
Well, typically we do the service that nobody else wants to in town. We'll come and fix that leaky faucet, we'll replace your water heater, or we'll work at your office if you have some plumbing issues there too.
Give me an idea of a typical service interval, whether it's a heating unit or an air conditioning unit.
Well, on the residential side, we prefer to see your heating and air conditioning treated just like you would your car getting your oil changed. We think it's important that every season in the fall that you have your heating performance checked out, and in the spring we like to see your air conditioning performance checked out. So most applications, a spring and a fall is pretty adequate to make sure that gets done. We look at filters, we look at performance, and we look at safety issues.
Let's talk a little bit about performance, because that's something obviously you can't just take a look at. How do you measure that?
Well, performance is based on efficiency. Old furnaces are rated at 60%, which a lot of them are. That means to every 60 cents of the dollar is going in your home, 40% is going up the chimney. With the new furnaces, we can get all the way up to 98% to improve that. And the same with air conditioning. With the old air conditioners, we're maybe 8 or 10 SEER, now we're 20 SEER. So you can double your efficiency with that too.
If I have something that I need assessed, I just give you a call, you'll come out and take a look at the equipment that I have?
We have sales consultants and service consultants to come out and take a look and see what we can do to improve the comfort and efficiency in your home. Right now, with a lot of these with the variable speed furnaces and the variable speed air conditioning, we can improve your comfort dramatically too. In an older home where you have drafty spots, we can take care of that.
Tom, one other important thing to point out is you have a brand new shop. Tell me more about it.
Well, our new shop is absolutely exciting for all of us, including the production. When we go back and take a look at it, you'll see that we have a nice setup and delivery area, we have a nice fabrication area, and also, the most important thing, we have a very nice plasma table that we have set up to increase the productivity and make our jobs much easier and much nicer for you at the home.
Let's take a closer look. As Tom mentioned, Waterbury has invested in technologies like this plasma cutter that not only creates less installation problems, but also, more importantly, helps reduce material waste, saving you, the homeowner, money as installation is both faster and more efficient. Tom, I understand we have a before and after scenario. Tell me the mechanical they had and what you're putting in and what kind of savings they can expect.
Well, the unit that we're going to be looking at is a home that was built 20 years ago, so it's lived its life as far as the heating and cooling in it. We're replacing from a standard efficient furnace, and we're going to the new Lennox 98% efficient furnace with the air-to-air heat pump. So not only are we giving them great air conditioning on the high efficiency, but we're using the heat pump to also do electric heat for part of the gas heating system also.
Tom, obviously you cover everything, whether it relates to heating or air conditioning, and of course plumbing. Again, why Waterbury?
The company has been around forever. We have a great staff of people. We have many technicians with a lot of years of experience to be able to satisfy all your needs. We can come out day or night and take care of your heating and cooling in your home. We also have a great staff that works for your commercial and your office to take care of day or night also. So we can cover everything you have in your heating, cooling, and plumbing needs.
Tom, thanks for being on the program.
Thanks for coming, Jim.
For more information about Waterbury Heating and Cooling, log on to waterburyheating.com or give them a call.